Every single week, the headlines say the same thing. Another data breach, another hack, another leak of your personal information. From your private emails and passwords to entire corporate databases, cybersecurity now affects everyone, not just the tech experts. But here's the real question. If hacking is illegal, how do companies legally hire people to break into their own systems? Well, that's exactly where penetration testing comes in. You see, cybersecurity isn't just a problem for big corporations or governments. It's personal. It's about individuals protecting their social media, businesses securing customer data. So, what is a penetration test? Often called a pen test. It's an authorized ethical security assessment. In simple terms, it's when security professionals are allowed to try and break into a system to find the weaknesses before the criminals do. These testers use the same tools, the same techniques, and the same methodologies that real attackers use. But they have permission. Now, this is where a lot of the confusion happens. Is it legal? The answer is simple. Hacking without permission is a crime. Penetration testing is legal because it is authorized. Before a single line of code is written, there's a formal agreement. They define what can be tested, what tools are allowed, and what is off limits. In the industry, we call this the scope. Anything outside that scope? That's unauthorized, and therefore, illegal. When we talk about hackers, it's not all just hoodies and dark rooms. In the industry, we group them into 3 hat categories, based entirely on their motivation and their ethics. First, we have white hat hackers. These are the good guys. They operate fully within the law and use their skills to help organizations fix security holes. Think of a certified penetration tester. Then there are gray hat hackers. These guys are a bit more complicated. While they often intend to help, they might ignore laws or ethical boundaries to do it. They operate in a legal gray area, like someone who illegally takes down a scam website without permission. Finally, we have the black hat hackers. These are the criminals. They exploit systems for personal gain, seeking profit or just looking to cause damage. A classic example? Ransomware authors, who encrypt an entire hospital's data and demand a massive payment to let it go. In the world of cybersecurity, knowing which hat someone is wearing changes everything. If you want to dive deeper into the world of cybersecurity and see how these tests work in the real world, hit that subscribe button and join the community.